Well, when it comes to fertilizing cool season lawns like the Kentucky bluegrass you see here, it's not so much about growth as it is about survival. We're hitting up near 100 degrees now, and even though it's summer, we still need to give the lawn nutrients along with the necessary water it needs to sustain itself and survive the heat a little bit easier. Let me show you the fertilizer I'm using and why I want to use it and why I've been using it throughout the summer months. Here we go. Now when it comes to summer fertilizer products for cool season lawns, I focus on one primary nutrient, and that's potassium. Potassium's job is to help the plant uptake and retain moisture and also handle stress tolerance. So when I look for summer fertilizers, I don't look to push growth, so I look for low nitrogen, but I look for high potassium. And one of my favorite products to do that is Stress Blend from Yard Mastery. I've got it right here. It's a 7020, so you can see it's low in nitrogen, but it's high in potassium. And potassium is something that I try to put down every application. I look for high potassium numbers in the fertilizer products that I choose to use. In fact, my soil test indicates that I'm extremely deficient in potassium, so I supplement with potassium products like the 0048 SOP from Yard Mastery. So I'm always looking forward to putting down potassium because I know the lawn just needs it, and I know the lawn does much better when I stay on top of the potassium input. So that's what's going down today, and that's why. And it will get watered in tonight because the sprinklers will run tomorrow morning. So easy as that. Get it down and call it good. Alright, there we go. That's pretty much it. That's the Stress Blend, well, the first Stress Blend application for this summer. And I will look forward to putting that same product down again in about a month or so. And like I said, that potassium is really going to make a big difference here as far as keeping things green and staying within watering restrictions too. So I've been trying to do as much content around that topic as I can because I know it's kind of a big deal, especially here out west. So if you haven't had a chance to check out my other videos on the subject, browse around, see what you can find. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. So much more content to come. Can't wait to share it with you. Thanks so much for watching this one. I'll see you next time.